Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna give you the sample answers of our previous video. The topic was name, and there I discussed all the questions, which is very important, and then students and asked by the examiner to the students. So please watch till the end, and if you find these answers are useful, and then definitely I have no problem. You can use that in your exam also, speaking exam. So now let's get started. Who gave you your name? When the examiner will ask you this question, then you should say, my parents gave me my name. They close it together after considering the various options that had personal significance to them. So some of the vocabulary words I used in here, like the significance is one of the important vocabulary words, because always speaking is based on your vocabulary words too. If you are using the good vocabulary words, then they will definitely you will get the good marks there, right? So second, does your name have any particular meaning? Yes, my name has a special meaning. Suppose if I will talk about my name, so the name Vashisht is derived from the Sanskrit language, and it means most excellent or best. It also the name of the previous say in ancient Indian mythology. My parents chose this name because they believed it symbolized wisdom and excellency, hoping that I would embody these qualities throughout my life. So in that way, if you belongs to Punjabi family or kind of a Sikh family, then you can say my name. You can just change your. You can put your name and derived from Punjabi or Hindi language. You can usually say like some names are from Punjabi, and then you can just say that that is from the Punjabi language. Or mostly Hindu names are from the Sanskrit, like Puja, Seema, Avi. Every name is having some meanings. But if you really know about your name meaning, you can write down in the comment section. I will definitely send you the answer of your name meaning also. So, do you like your name? Then your answer should be yes, I do. Like my name, it feels unique and carries a sense of identity and heritage over the years. I have grown quite attached to it because I know everybody's name, they all attached with the names, right? So in that way you can explain about their attachment of your attachment with the name. Next question is, in your country, do people feel their names their name is very important? Yes. In my country, people in my country names are considered very important. They often reflect the culture, familiar, or religious significance, and are seen as a core part of one's identity. All right. Would you like to change your name? Then the next question, would you like to change your name? No, I wouldn't. If you like to change your name, then you can say yes, I won't. I would, because sometimes people they don't like their names. But again, keep in your mind when you say yes, then you need to explain, and then they will definitely ask you the process of changing the name. Okay. So once you are explaining the name, the process of changing the name, you need to let him know about, okay, so this is a process of changing, like legally or published paper, then you can have your name, right? So you need to explain everything about the changing process. Okay, so instead of using the long method, you can simply say no, I wouldn't like to change my name, because once you will change your name, it's not only the name change throughout your like life, like 10th, if you are working for the job, if you're looking for the job, so and then that time you need to change all the documents there. Like if you are changing your name, you need to change all your certification names too. All right. So no, I wouldn't like to change my name. So this is like a good answer. At this point, you should say no, even though you like to change, but you should say no. No, I wouldn't like to change my name. It has become integral part of who I am, and I appreciate I thought, and the thought and the meaning behind it. Because once your parents or once the elders from your family, they put your name or they give you a name, they definitely look at the meaning, and then how that name is go with your nature, and the what type of person you should be if your name is the name whatever your name is right now. Okay, so they always consider and see how your name should be in the future and match with your personality too. So that's why I appreciate the thought and meaning behind it. So you need to keep that in there also. All right, so next is it easy to change your name in your country? Changing one's name in my country is a process that involves legal documentation and approvals. While it is possible, it requires a formal application and can take some time too. Because once you are going to change your name, you need to go over all the processes and then you can change your name. So, in that way, you can say that how you can change your name. So, this is all about the important questions, answers which I gave it to you. I know there was a 9 questions, but again, these are the answers I prepared for you guys. So if you like these answers, you definitely, I'll say go ahead, use these answers. But if you don't, then you can again, if you find any kind of a problem, you can write down in the comment section. We will definitely help you out. If you're looking for the free English speaking buddy partners, then definitely again we will recommend you to please join our free speaking sessions. There you can get that confidence, to boost your confidence for English speaking too. So thank you very much for watching this video. I will see you in the next video. In my next video, you can find the next topic, that is study, and we can also see the vocabulary words, some of the name topic and some of the new study topic also. All right. Thank you very much, students. We'll see you in the next video. Bye bye. Take care.